In this video today, I'm going to fit a new windshield, just a cheapo from eBay, to my Honda CB125R. Stick around for that. This is the kit here, which I purchased on eBay. I bought it for less than £30 here in the UK. I think it was £27 odds. Delivered. Cheap and cheerful, but hopefully it'll do the job. I don't plan on keeping this bike. As much as I like it, it's only a starter bike. I'm only using that just now until I can obviously upgrade to a bigger bike. Anyway, in the kit what you get is two brackets. These brackets are sided. This one's the right hand side and this one's obviously the left. You get four little plugs for your screw heads. You get the fitting kit to fit the bracket to the bike, and these nuts up here, why am I calling them nuts? These screws up here is what fits the windshield to the brackets. You also get four nylon washers and these little rubber things. So what we'll do is we'll get this these rubber things inserted into here. I'll show you where they go, and then we'll move over to the bike. First of all, we'll need to get the rubber inserts put into these brackets. So what we want to do is just push these inserts through the holes. As you can see there's a little recess there, so they'll just push through like so into these brackets. So obviously do that with both of them. Like so. Once we've done that, we can go over to the bike and have a look at what screws need to come out. Here's the four screws that we're going to take out. There's two on the speedometer on the screen in the back, and there is one each side of the headlight. These are 5mm screws, so we'll quickly whip them out and start offering the bracketry up. Keep these safe, don't lose them, in case you want to take the screen off at a later date, maybe if you sell the bike or what have you. Even worth giving these to the next owner if you do sell the bike, just makes it easier for them. So put these somewhere safe, and now we'll get the bracketry offered up. This is the right hand bracket, as you can see there. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. Right, this will fit in here like so, but we'll need to use these little spacers. The small spacer goes to the top, the larger spacer goes in towards the headlight. So what you want to do first is put the obviously offer it up first, make sure that it's in the right way. Pop your screw through the hole, small spacer, and pop it in. This is where you'll need the 3mm Allen key. that's that started. It's not in tight. Now take your larger spacer and your longer bolt, stick the spacer in the hole and then feed the bolt in. Now the nut screw in. Okay. Right, that's that, that's tight and secure. Now we'll do the same with the other side. We'll just offer it up so we know what orientation it's going. This one's the left. Pop the screw in. I was just double checking that was the right screw. And again, we'll just get this one started. Like so. Longer one. Stick that spacer in there. And then just screw it home. Like so, that's secure. Now for the screen. Remember your little plastic nylon washers. If you just pop all 4 of them over the screws. Yep, so that's 2 on, 3, and the 4th one. So that's all the little washers behind the screw heads there. So we'll grab the screen and we'll get this screwed in place. Just stick it in loosely to start with, because you'll probably need to wiggle it about to pick up all the holes. And finally nip them up. Again, they don't need to be monstrously tight. Just screw them in until they're tight and then just give them a little nip. Finally, if you want to use these little caps, you just stick them over the holes, like so. These will probably fall off, so what I would probably advise doing if you want to use these little caps is just put a little doddy glue in the back. Nothing silly, like just a little touch just to hold it in place. And there you go. Cheapest chips, £27, delivered from eBay, and I think that looks pretty decent. Anyway guys, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.